All right, here's the front, what I call the foil, or aerodynamics, glued on using the spray foam again. No real good way to hold that on there. Fortunately, this stuff sets up pretty quick, so it's feeling more solid. Lots of tape to try to hold it together. Just make sure it was in place. Skewer, keep it from sliding down. I had that on the other side until it was set. Gonna help to hold it in spot while I was taping shit together. Excuse my language, sorry about that. Probably did this 10 minutes ago. I can already touch it. Definitely not firm, but setting up good. Well, there we go. And then I'll just take my Surform and carve out some nice round edges on that. Blend this in with the right angle. Let's see, where's that thing here? This is the Surform. Use this for making surfboards. It allows the foam to go through, catches on the inside. Easy to vacuum the dust out afterwards. But let me just give you a quick sample. This is how you would use this thing. Definitely makes dust, but you can see how that's gonna go ahead and shape what I want. Back with the unveiling. All right. Pulled the tape off. This is what it looks like after I pulled the tape off. And over on the other side, I used my little Surform here and a knife, cut off any of the big edges with it, and then I just use this to flatten things out. Cut that bevel in up there so it flows up. So that will be, I'm going to round off the edges here eventually so the air flows a little bit better over it, but that's what we got. Go around to the inside and have a look. So from the inside,